The rubber glove that medical staff often use. The process of making it is very similar to the mysterious safety suit. They all need to use the corresponding mold of the same shape. First, the mold must be thoroughly cleaned in soapy water, because these molds are used in cycles, so we have to clean up the residue from the last production. Then let them go through the bleaching process for the second cleaning. This time we have to clean up all the remaining residue, because even the smallest pollutants are likely to be in the rubber gloves and cause the risk of breakage. After these two cleaning is completed, they will be transferred to this rotary brush. Use a brush to brush the surface and the fingers that are difficult to touch. After a thorough wash, soak them in a hot water pool and wash them in a hot water bath. This is the last cleaning process before the gloves are made. After completion, they will be sent to the suspension drain by the rotating conveyor, but the surface of these molds is still a little damp. They will be sent to receive chemical water in rotation. This will form a thin film on its surface. This layer of coating is a very critical step in the entire production process. It will prevent the rubber of the liquid from directly sticking to the mold, but indirectly stick to this chemical coating. Now start to slowly enter the warm liquid rubber into the mold. When the coating on the mold and the liquid rubber take effect, the rubber will instantly become a glue-like adhesive on the mold. When they come out of the mold, the coating is completely melted. Then transfer these molds to the oven. In the process of transmission, they need to be rotated constantly to get rid of the excess liquid rubber on the surface. Under high heat, the rubber will soon be baked dry and become a hand shape. This also includes the chemical process of oxidation. This process will make the rubber more solid and elastic. After cleaning and baking, these gloves will roll out the glove slot in the middle of the brush. This slot is the roll of the gloves. It has a special function, that is, the workers can pull them down from the mold more easily. These disposable gloves are made of synthetic rubber. They are more sticky than natural rubber gloves, so you have to use manpower to pull the gloves down from the mold. In the next inspection session, the workers will stretch each glove and inject the gas into it to check if there are any holes in these gloves. Even if there are only holes of the size of a needle hole, they will also be disposed of. In the end, the workers will take out a sample glove from each batch. Check again by injecting water inside to see if there are any damage. If these picked up gloves are not waterlogged, then all the gloves for the batch can be ready for shipment.